Let's dive right into this explainer. Look, if you've ever tried to learn to program, you know the struggle, right? You write a few lines of code, you immediately hit some obscure error, and then you're just endlessly Googling for solutions. You finally find a snippet, copy it, and kind of just guess how to fix it. I mean, at first glance, it feels like learning. But are you actually building anything or just spending all your time searching? It's a huge trap. It creates this massive gap where, yeah, maybe you get the code to run, but you don't actually understand the logic behind it at all. So today, we're going to fundamentally shift that mindset. We're moving completely away from the old idea that coding is just typing out syntax. Instead, we're embracing a much more powerful concept. Coding is guiding an AI agent, and we're going to learn exactly how to do this using an absolutely game-changing tool called Claude Code. To give us a clear roadmap, we're breaking this down into 5 quick steps. 1. The new way to code. 2. What is Claude Code? 3. The core coding workflow. 4. Writing better AI instructions. And 5. Safe execution and permissions. Let's get into it. Starting with Section 1, the new way to code, moving from typist to architect. There is just a stark contrast between the friction of the old way of doing things and this new reality. Think about the past. You're constantly jumping between your code editor, your browser, the documentation. It totally breaks your focus every single time. Today, it's all about guiding an intelligent system. You go from searching to interacting, from mindlessly copying to actually guiding. You're the architect of your software now, not just the typist. All right, Section 2, what exactly is Claude Code? Think of it as your AI junior developer. So Claude Code is an AI-powered coding agent, and it's designed to work directly inside your project environment, whether that's right in the terminal or an IDE like VS Code. This isn't like those traditional AI chatbots that just hand you a bunch of loose car parts and say, good luck figuring out where these go. No, Claude Code acts like a mechanic who actually installs the parts directly into your engine. It doesn't just spit out isolated text, it modifies your actual code base for you. And here's the absolute crucial point. It has file-level understanding. Because real software isn't just built from isolated snippets, right? It depends entirely on how your files are organized and how the data flows between them. Well, Claude Code actually reads your files. It understands how your functions interact and integrates logic right where you need it. If you ask it to add, say, validation, it finds the exact right location, it understands how input is currently being handled, and it adds the logic without you having to manually force the pieces together. Moving on to Section 3, the core coding workflow. This is our 5-step loop. Every single interaction you have with Claude Code should follow this exact 5-step loop. First, describe your task clearly. Second, review the proposed changes. Does the logic actually make sense? Third, apply them safely to your files. Fourth, test your program by actually running it, because look, even code that looks perfect can introduce bugs. And finally, refine. Actually, scratch that. Refine is probably the most important step, because you're rarely going to get perfect output on the very first try. Iteration is exactly how this process is supposed to work. Now, there is an absolute golden rule for beginners here. Never accept a change you don't understand, period. Claude Code is just as much a learning tool as it is a coding tool. If something is unclear, literally ask it, hey, explain this change, or why did you use this approach? Doing this prevents that blind dependency on AI and builds your actual foundational understanding of software design. Okay, Section 4, writing better AI instructions. Let's look at the 4-part formula. So Claude Code is incredibly powerful, but remember, it depends entirely on what you tell it to do. To get the absolute best results, we have to move way beyond vague requests. You want to use a 4-part instruction formula. First, the goal. What exactly do you want? Second, the context. Where in the project should this be applied? Third, constraints. What are the limits? Like, are we only using built-in libraries? And finally, the output. What does success actually look like? Let's put this formula into action to see the difference. A weak instruction like, fix my code, well, it's incredibly vague. It forces the AI to just guess. But compare that to a strong instruction, something like, fix the value error in main.py line 10 when input is empty, add validation and keep it simple. The difference is massive. You're telling the agent the exact location, the exact constraints, and this ensures you get a reliable, targeted fix instead of some overcomplicated mess. Another absolutely essential habit? Break big tasks down into small steps. Look, it's totally normal to hit errors as a beginner, but you can avoid getting completely overwhelmed by iterating in small chunks. So instead of asking the AI to, build a massive e-commerce app all at once, ask it to first create a product model. then add a product listing page, and then add cart functionality. A smaller scope pretty much always equals much higher accuracy. Finally, Section 5, Safe Execution and Permissions. This is all about staying in control. Because Claude Code can actually modify your files and run commands, it gives you different permission modes to balance safety and speed. The default mode is super safe. It pauses for your manual approval on every single edit. Then there's plan mode. This is a highly underrated feature for beginners. It only analyzes and plans out the steps without changing any files at all. As you get faster and more comfortable, accept edits, auto edits while you review later. And auto mode actually uses a background classifier model to automatically block risky actions, but lets the safe ones pass right through. And to give you some serious peace of mind, no matter what mode you're in, Claude Code protects your critical paths. Essential system elements, like your .git folder or your shell config files, are strictly restricted. They are never auto-approved. This acts as a major safety rail to prevent repository corruption or system-level damage. Basically, it ensures you don't accidentally wipe out your whole project with one bad prompt. You can even further lock in your safety and consistency by defining your coding style and constraints inside a dedicated clude.md file. When you drop this markdown file right into your project root, the agent automatically reads it at the start of every session. It's literally the perfect place to put project rules like always write beginner-friendly Python code. That way, you ensure the agent behaves exactly the way you want it to every single time. By shifting your mindset from typist to architect, a whole new world of creation opens up. The barrier to entry has quite literally never been lower. You no longer have to memorize syntax or fight those frustrating, obscure bugs all by yourself. You've got an AI junior developer ready to execute your vision. So my final question for you to take away from this explainer is simply this. What amazing tool are you going to build next?